In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register as an affiliate in Alibaba.com as of 2025, step by step. This is a great way to start leveraging Alibaba's massive global marketplace to earn commissions on sales you drive through your networking and marketing efforts. So let's dive right into the process. First things first, open up your web browser and go to Alibaba.com. This website is your gateway to one of the largest global e-commerce platforms, and becoming an affiliate is a fantastic avenue to generate income. Once you're on Alibaba's homepage, you'll want to look for the Help Center link, usually found towards the bottom of the page or possibly along the top navigation bar, depending on the site's current layout. Clicking this link will guide you to a page designed to assist users with a variety of inquiries, linking you directly to valuable resources and FAQs. Once you're in the Help Center, navigate to the section labeled For Buyers. This is the area where Alibaba has consolidated support topics that are most pertinent to buyers' needs, including the affiliate program information we're hunting for today. Once there, keep an eye out for a search bar, often prominently placed or easy to spot. In this search bar, you'll need to type the phrase affiliate program. This will specifically filter the extensive help topics to bring forward relevant articles and guides related to the Alibaba affiliate program. After entering the keyword, hit the search button to initiate the search. As the search results populate, scan through for a link titled, How do I register as an affiliate of Alibaba.com? Clicking on this link will take you directly to an informative page dedicated to explaining the registration process. This page can be a goldmine of details, helping to clarify steps and conditions you might need to meet before becoming a part of the program. On this page, among the various instructions and details, you'll find a URL that leads to Alibaba's ad platform, https://ads.alibaba.com. Clicking on this link will transfer you to a site specifically for managing ads and affiliate registrations. This site is crucial because you will be conducting all affiliate activities here. After landing on the ad platform, locate and click the Sign Up button to start creating your affiliate account. This is an essential step where you'll enter your personal details and agree to terms and conditions, paving the way to officially becoming an Alibaba affiliate. And there you have it. This process is designed to be straightforward, though it requires precise navigation through Alibaba's resources. Once registered, you can start promoting, tracking, and earning through the affiliate program. Happy affiliating, and I hope this guide has been helpful to get you started on your journey with Alibaba.